Today, Carmel School Dhanbad organized its much awaited prize night ceremony to celebrate the achievements of a student from kindergarten to class 12. The event was filled with pride and joy as students were recognized for their hard work, dedication, and excellence throughout the academic year. Awards were presented across various categories. Students who displayed consistent academic excellence received the General Proficiency Award, while those with 100% attendance were commended for their discipline and commitment. Special recognition was also given to students of class 12 who secured the highest marks in individual subjects, honoring their subject-wise brilliance. The highlight of the ceremony was the felicitation of the school topper of class 12, who was applauded for their outstanding overall academic performance and dedication. The event served not only as a moment of celebration but also as an inspiration for all students to strive for excellence in academics, discipline, and all-round development.
How long this prize night has been hosting by your school?
For me, it's the first time in the school. It has been happening to a small scale. 2024, there was an award ceremony in the month of April. Then we also had it in the month of August 24, where we honored the council toppers, these board exam toppers. So this year we kept all the entire school toppers as well as the board's toppers for this prize night. So we had this prize night today.
There was this award, General Specification Award.
General Proficiency Award. That is awarded to the student who has done the best in her class in the academics. So first, second and third rankers, so-called rankers in the class. And we also honored class-wise topper, those who were like highest among the three sections, and they were given a cash prize of 3,000 rupees from the management side and a certificate.
We have also witnessed a lot of kids, like very young kids, getting this award.
That is to encourage them. So we lay the foundation at the youngest age. So they are moved to achieve better excellence, greater excellence in the future. So it starts with the tiniest ones, but because the KG section, the pre-primary section, we call it an assessment. We did not recognize them for their academics. Rather, we recognize them for their regularity in school, so 100% attendance. Their assessment is just to assess them, so no ranking. But from standard 1 onwards, we have started ranking them. So the present standard 1 who was honored is the class 2 or second standard 2 in our school.
There are a lot of students who have not won or have not got award in this. How you want to motivate them or keep them motivated in
the very fact that this initiative is taken by the school to recognize the toppers, it encourages others also to work hard, make efforts, and effort counts. That's why we also have an award, something called the best endeavor. That child may not be or need not be excellent in academics, but during the year she has shown a lot of effort to come up to something. So even that is recognized.
Anything you remember from your school days regarding a prize night? Or
yeah, I remember when I was in class 2, I got a merit certificate for 100 marks in which subject I don't remember. I think it was social studies. A small certificate, as I don't think it was as huge as the certificate given today, but that also helped me at that moment to work hard. That is the only award certificate I received. This practice was not in my school.
Thank you, sister.